right, guys, well, here's the first real deal part. This is the finished product right here. So we have a green anodized aluminum body. Have a standard fitting that goes in here. Brass air jet, and this is going to be available in 3 different sizes, which I have all of them. So this is a 5-horse that I'm putting in here. We got an O-ring that sits in here for sealing. Got a ceramic nozzle, also available in tungsten carbide, but it'll ship standard with the ceramic. And then here is a plastic nozzle nut. All right, so that's the finished product. The only thing I am waiting on is all the bodies are cut. They are at the anodizer, and I should have them back next week. But in the meantime, I am going to work on a performance video to show you how this thing works. And I plan on shipping the week of February 22. Okay, so that's like a week and a half away. Okay, so all the pre-orders are filled. There's none available right now. However, the vendor made several extra, so I'll see after I build all of it and whatnot. There may be a few extra where a few of you guys can purchase it. In the meantime, I will be making more, okay? Probably won't be available till later in March, like late March. So what I'm going to do is set up a wait list, okay? So I'll throw a link in the upper right. That puts your email address on a list. And when I get more, when more come available, you simply get emailed. You'll get first dibs on them versus me just putting them up on the site and then it's a free-for-all, right? So if you're still interested, there's a wait list, okay? But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and set up the machine to do some wet and dry blasting performance testing with this. And you should see that video next week. But there it is. It's all done. All right, so here are the different components. So you got your 5-horse jet, 7.5-horse jet, and a 10-horse jet, and the corresponding nozzle. Okay, another cool thing you can do is, let's say you're running the 5-horse combination. This is set up for cutting. Okay, let's say you want to do some polishing. What you can do is swap in a 7.5-horse nozzle with the 5-horse jet, and this slows down the media, gives you a little more volume, and it's really good for polishing. Okay, so that's what's kind of cool, is you can play around with this stuff. Unfortunately for the 10-horse guy, you're going to stick with this setup here, and we're all jealous that you have a 10-horse compressor. You'll be just fine with that setup. Okay, but even with the 7.5-horse jet, you can run the 10-horse nozzle. You know what I'm saying? You can go one size larger on the nozzle and mix and match this kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool.